Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today that were previously released on HSN. I know a lot of our customers, especially our international customers that are unable to purchase on HSN, wait just like complete, because HSN gets at least a 6-month exclusive. Well, now you finally get to get some of those items that you missed out on that maybe sold out or you missed or they're brand new to you. Are you ready? Get set, here we go. The first one is the Floral Swish Die Set. Now, this one is an A2 size card, and the main awesome part about it is this swish at the bottom. So when you cut it out, you are gonna get this awesome swish. See that gorgeous cut? And you can put pattern paper behind it if you want to, and you can decorate it. Now, it does come with some flower dies and a pine cone. I kind of thought they were more like a poinsettia. So you can use it for a poinsettia, but you don't have to use the flowers. For example, on this Happy Thanksgiving, or look at this gorgeous wedding card. Isn't that beautiful with the gold and the silver and the pearls? So pretty. Or you could do Life's a Beach if you want to and just decorate it like that. Look at your little background, so cute. Or you could do a pink Christmas, which, okay, I have to be honest, this is one of my favorites. Pink Christmas, so pretty. Open it up, Merry Christmas. And look, you can stamp things right there and they're gonna show because of that swish. Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one. You can also do it vertical if you want. Spring is in the air, open it up. Here's one that's Christmas. So if you do want to do Christmas, look how fun that is. But look at how exciting it is to have a different pattern back there. Isn't that fun? Now, we will also have, originally it came with this. It's not going to come with this booklet now, but you can get it on our website in the extras section. So make sure you check that out. You can even print it out if you want to. We are also releasing from HSN the Happy Birthday for HSN stamp set. So now this one comes with birthday wishes with hugs and kisses. Let's celebrate. Have a fabulous birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday wishes all year long. Hi, cupcake. Not older, just better. Let's party. Make a wish. And wishing you a birthday filled with all your favorite things. Perfect birthday sentiments, right? Now, we're also releasing, because we have a lot to release on the 25th, we have to play catch up, are the stamps that coordinate with the truck folded. So the truck folded originally came with stamps, and here's an example of sending loads of ... birthday wishes. So here you have the option, sending loads of birthday wishes, get well wishes, holiday wishes, hugs and kisses, Christmas wishes, prayers, love, and your way. So you could say sending loads of prayers your way. Isn't that cute? Now, with this stamp set is the stamp set that came with the cupcake folded. Now, you'll need to go to our website to check that out. They are sold together. So you're getting two really awesome stamp sets together. Now, we also re-released 3 of our most popular paper pads. We all know how awesome our paper pads are, right? And every once in a while, we just get so many requests for specific ones that we decide to do a reprint. And the reprints are always a lot less than we originally ordered. So just a heads up on that. So we have this is the Laugh collection with the fun whales and the blues and the reds. And look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fantastic? Lots of reds and blues, dark blue. Then we have, one of my favorites, Shine collection. Now the Shine collection had our pineapples and our bright colors, our little flamingo, more pineapples, Shine, so awesome. This one, this one's a Christmas one. Grab this one quick. This is called Just Because, but don't let the name fool you, because there's some pine needles, there's some pine cones, perfect for that swish card because it comes with the pine cone die. Now this actually coordinates with our pine cone die set. That was a club set back in the day. Ooh, some wood. Look at that. Happy holidays, snowflakes. Lots of awesome, small pine needles, small pine cones. Lots of awesomeness in this set as well. Lastly, we have a set of ribbon. Now here we have yellow, grape, we have black, we have, that's a marigold, and then also a spearmint ribbon. Now, this one is gingham, this one is gross grain, this one is a silky type. This one is striped, and this is that cording that it's like a faux leather cording that everyone is in love with. So this is very, very limited. The paper pads and this set are very, very limited, so grab those quick. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products, and if you're not in the club, you're missing out. You're missing out on a 15 to 20% discount off of everything. You're also missing out on the club points that you get and the anniversary gift certificates you get if you've stayed in the club a full year. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and just watch that video. You'll definitely want to join once you watch that video. Now, club members, you know all about the discounts. You know all about the club points and all the goodies involved in the club. So thank you so much, and I will see you again over at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.